starts quietly, not with greed, not with scams. It starts with something that feels reasonable. Prices rise, explanations follow, confidence grows, and by the time doubt appears, belief has already been priced in. Welcome to Fat Stack Chamber. This channel is about understanding money the way it actually works, not the way it's sold to you. Today we're breaking down bubble theory, what it is, why it forms, and what actually causes it to burst. A financial bubble forms when prices rise not because something is more valuable, but because people expect someone else to pay more later. Value stops mattering. Expectation takes over. That gap between price and reality is the bubble. Think of a balloon. At first, air goes in slowly. The balloon grows naturally, but once belief replaces limits, every breath stretches it further. The balloon doesn't pop because air is bad. It pops because there's a limit. Markets are no different. The 4 stages of a bubble. Almost every bubble follows the same path. 1. Disbelief. Why is this rising? 2. Optimism. Okay, maybe this makes sense. 3. Euphoria. Everyone is making money. 4. Denial. It'll recover. The bubble doesn't burst at euphoria. It bursts when denial meets reality. Real-world bubbles. Dot-com stocks in the late 1990s. Companies with no profits, sometimes no products, valued purely on future promises. When earnings failed to arrive, prices collapsed. Housing in 2008, homes were treated like guaranteed investments. Easy loans pushed prices up until borrowers couldn't pay and the system cracked. Crypto cycles. New technology, real potential, but prices often ran far ahead of actual use. When excitement faded, sharp crashes followed. Meme stocks. Prices driven by online hype instead of business fundamentals. Short-term wins for some. Heavy losses once attention moved on. Different assets, same psychology. Charts change, human behavior doesn't. Gold and silver are called safe havens. People buy them when they're scared, but they don't grow earnings. They don't produce cash flow. Their price depends heavily on belief, and belief can inflate anything. A bubble doesn't burst from one event. It cracks when new buyers slow down. Prices stop rising fast enough. Early investors start quietly exiting. The story weakens. Confidence wobbles. That's when fear replaces greed. Every bubble has a turning point. It's not when prices rise fast. It's when people stop asking why they're rising. At first, investors ask questions. How does this make money? What's the real value here? Then prices keep climbing. And suddenly, the questions feel optional. People don't buy because they understand anymore. They buy because everyone else is buying. They're not chasing returns. They're running from the fear of missing out. Staying cautious starts to feel risky. Sitting out feels like falling behind, and logic slowly gets replaced by urgency. That's when fear of missing out takes control, and momentum becomes the only explanation anyone needs. The bubble burst. Here's the truth. Bubbles don't pop, they collapse. One day, selling starts, then more selling, then panic. Prices fall faster than they rose because belief disappears faster than it forms. There's no gradual exit, only urgency. Most people don't lose money at the bottom. They lose money waiting for prices to come back. Selling feels like admitting a mistake. So people hold, they justify, they hope. And hope is deadly during a collapse. How to recognize a bubble before it bursts. You don't need predictions. Watch behavior. Prices rising faster than fundamentals. Critics being mocked. This time is different, becoming popular. Fear of missing out. Beating fear of loss, that's when the balloon is fully stretched. Bubble theory isn't about avoiding markets. It's about avoiding stories that replace logic. Markets don't break because people are stupid. They break because people are emotional. When belief replaces value, the burst is inevitable. If this helped you see markets more clearly, like the video. Subscribe to Fat Stack Chamber for finance without hype. Just clarity.